Alright, today we're going to be unboxing the Logitech G403 and comparing it to a few other mice. There it is, it's the box. I bought this one for my laptop. Needed a good mouse for my laptop. I was using a wired one, but I want wireless, so I went ahead and got this. So let's go ahead and open it up. I've been waiting all day to do this. Alright, let's get these stickers cut open. And pop this puppy out of the box, see what comes with it. Can't wait to test it out. Okay, so got the box empty. Got some paperwork. Alright, and in the box here, so here's the mouse. Wow, that's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. It's pretty good size. I got a big hand, so this actually looks like it's going to fit pretty well. The last mouse I had for a laptop was really tiny, and I couldn't use it for gaming. I could use it for basic use, but gaming, no. Okay, so we got the cord here. USB cable, looks like the charging cable. Braided. Pretty nice, you know, standard. Looks like it, oops, drop that. Looks like it'll plug right in. Yeah, it just plugs right into the front there. Like that. So you can charge it or use it wired, which I will not be doing. And let's see what else comes with it. So that's a little weight that comes with it. It says 10 grams, so it adds 10 grams of weight. This piece, if you want to use it, you can, looks like you can plug it in, plug the little adapter in, the little dongle, and that way you can get a better signal on your mouse if you're using it on a desktop or something. But since I'll be using it on a laptop right next to it, I'm just going to use the dongle. So let's compare this mouse to some others. Well, first let's put my hand on it. Let's just see here. Let's move some stuff around. There we go. So I have a pretty big hand, and I was worried about this one not fitting, but it feels pretty good. The buttons on the side are nice and clicky. They're really big, really easy to press. And let's see. So it doesn't have that free scroll wheel like I did in the G502, but you know, that's not a big deal to me. I think that's the DPI sensor, or the DPI changer, which I'll just use one DPI, never change. Alright, let's see about the weight in the bottom. Oh, you just push it and pull it out there. Oh, it's a magnet. So now, that's not how it works. Oh, you just pop it in the lid here. Put it in the lid. Put it back in there. And the mouse is a little heavier. I don't think I'll be using the weight. I just wanted to see what it would feel like. Now maybe I can't get it out. There we go. It's fine with me. I want it to be light. Feels really good. So let's compare it first to I have a Razer Naga. So you can see them side by side. Razer Naga. I mean, honestly, the G403 is larger by a little bit. Now I have the, what was this one, the G602. It's the one I use for work. I really like this wing on the side to rest my thumb on, but it's just not my favorite for games. And then this one's still attached to the computer, so it's the G600 Logitech. So I mean, it's a pretty good size mouse. It'll be really good for the laptop. So I will use it for a little while and let you guys know what I think in the comments or the description.